So welcome back to Adenyas Kitchen, and today we're going to cook pilau. So if you are new here, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated. Yeah. So today we're going to cook pilau, Kenyan pilau, Swahili pilau, and we have all our ingredients ready. So you're going to cook our meat. You can cook your meat using just a normal sufuria or a pressure cooker. For me, I'm going to use a pressure cooker. Okay. So my meat is here ready. Already here, so I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, and 30 minutes and our meat is going to be ready. Okay, yeah, and this is 3 glasses of rice. Okay, and then we have onions already sliced, 1 big onion, and then we have tomatoes, 2 tomatoes. I like using tomato paste, so we have our paste here already done, blended. Okay, and then for the other ingredients, so here we have cumin seeds, these ones. They usually give the pilau the nice smell. And then we also have cardamoms here, also for the smell. And then the bay leaf here, we have garlic here, kitunguu saumu. And then we have tangawizi here. Okay, so this is what you're going to use for the pilau. So we're going to soak the cumin seeds and the cardamoms with just enough water, okay? And then you're going to use them for the pilau. Okay, so very fast I will just show you that. So just put your cumin seeds and the cardamoms. So you can always use enough to taste for you, depending on your tastes, okay? And then add some water. Okay, so also going to add the bay leaves. Then just soak them in water for around 10 minutes. Okay, so we can leave that to soak. Yeah, this is what is going to make our masala. Okay, you can also use already made masala, this one here. It's always good. So for me, I like adding the natural one plus this one, yeah, to bring out the good color. Okay, yeah, so that is the all the ingredients. Okay, so we have already smashed our garlic and ginger, and here it is. This is how it looks here. Once smashed here, that's what you're going to use. Okay, so our meat is ready. You can see it's already here. We're just trying to make it into smaller pieces. So it's very ready. Okay, so the next step is to start our cooking. My sufuria is already on fire. Okay, so I'm already cooking my onions. So these are onions. You cook them until they are dark brown. Yeah, this is what actually gives the pilau the dark brown color. Okay, don't allow them to burn. Just make sure they're brown like they are now. So I'm going to add the other ingredients one by one. So once I start adding I'm adding the ginger. Ginger and garlic. Okay. So I think this is good. So I'm going to add my meats and then add the pilau masala. So we're going to cook our meat. You're going to fry our meat until it is also brownish, dark brownish. And then you're also going to add our pilau masala. And mix it nicely. Yeah, so you can see I've been frying up my meats together with the ingredients. It's looking nicely brown. This is actually the trick, because this is what gives the pilau one of the things that gives the pilau the color. Okay, so I'm going to add a little tomato. It's looking good. And then I'm going to add my mixture of the cardamoms, the cumin seeds, and the bay leaf. That's how it looks. This also adds to the color and the taste to the pilau. Okay, so that's my current mixture ingredients. So what you do, you need to cook it under low heat so that it can absorb the flavor, so that the meat can absorb all the flavor. So cook it for a few minutes before you add your rice. Yeah. Okay, it looks good. Then we're going to add our rice. So mix it nicely. Now it looks good. The next step is to add water. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Make sure you add water based on how your rice cooks. Normally, if I use a glass, then I'll use 1 cup, the 500 ml cup. Yeah? So just mix it nicely. It looks good, eh? It looks good. That's what we're talking about here. Then you're going to put a lid and close and cover your sufuria and allow the rice to cook under low heat, low medium heat. So always add salt to taste according to how you love it, yeah? and then we cover it and check it again after around 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, so just checking our pilau. Looking good, so we're just going to turn it. Looking very nice. It's almost done. Okay, so our pilau is ready. Pilau is ready. Looking good. Looking very good. So I'm going to serve it while still hot. Yes, so that is our pilau. Nice, looking very delicious, smelling very nice. I wish you could be able to get the smell, yeah? It's looking very nice, huh? Brown and ready to be taken. Okay, and finally we have our pilau ready to be taken. So let me just have a taste. Wow, this is very nice. Wow, wow. Very tasty pilau. Yeah? I think finally this is it. So if you are new here, remember to check out our videos, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of more videos, and watch out for the next videos. Goodbye.